A common trend for variable frequency drives today is to distribute those drives throughout the machine. So instead of the traditional installation method where we put a bunch of drives in a cabinet, we're now distributing them out and actually mounting them on the exterior of the machine, getting that drive closer to the motor. The Siemens G115D product does exactly that. It leverages all the technology that you see in the Sinamics G drives today, but puts it in that form factor and gives the connectivity methods that would allow you to put that out on the machine, mounted on the side of the machine directly next to the motor. In this workshop, what we're going to do is we're going to introduce you to the G115D technology, show you the similarities and differences between that implementation of that drive and some of the other products that Siemens offers. And then we're actually going to take you through a configuration and allow you to configure that drive and get one up and running. One interesting point with that drive is it's not only a wall-mounted or machine-mounted drive, but that drive can also be mounted directly to the electric motor. So we actually take and attach that drive to the electrical box of the motor, which even saves more space and gives it more of a distributed feel and can help with the overall design of the machine. So in this class, you're going to get to configure that drive, and you're going to be able to see how that gets programmed and ready to run on your system, specifically in a conveyance application. Anyone that is familiar with leveraging drives in a conveyance-based system and has an interest in distributed type drive architectures, you're the one that should be here.